Hi, friends. One of my subscribers or followers in my other social media account asked me this: how to create statement of purpose or SOP, as we all know it. So I'm going to share today our introduction, academic background, professional experience, reason for selecting the program and the institute or the school, and the finances on how you're going to support yourself and your future plans after completing the program and the declaration. I just give you brief description on each part. I will keep on saying SOP by sharing a bit about myself, my upbringing in the Philippines, how I lost my father in 2013, and how that shaped my values of perseverance and resilience. And I wanted the visa officer to see the real me, not just grades and work experience. And on the academic journey, I wrote about my bachelor's degree course. In the school where I studied. And I also included there the fact that I graduated with honors. But I don't really say it actually, but for the sake of the SOP, I said it so that they would know that I juggled between part-time jobs and school to support my studies. And then I also talk about how I started my master's online at IPU in 2023 before preparing to continue on shore in 2025. And next is my professional experience. Next, I highlighted here my working experiences being an executive assistant, English teacher, admin support, and even a financial consultant. I focus on achievements like improving processes, increasing sales, and leading workshops. And this only showed my adaptability and the skills I'll bring with me to New Zealand. And the next would be why I chose the program and the school or university. I explained why I chose IPU New Zealand and my course, the Master of Contemporary International Studies, and I connected it to my diverse background like sales, marketing, education, librarianship, and how the program's global and cross-cultural focus match my goals. And here, in the finances part, I highlighted how I'll support myself. So I also had to explain my finances. I wrote that my mom has been saving for years to support me, and I added my own savings for my remote jobs. And this gave me proof that I can sustain myself while studying in New Zealand so that the visa officer would know, okay, she has enough of support herself while studying in New Zealand. And lastly, my future plans. I ended my SOP by painting a clear picture of my future. First, applying for a post study work visa in New Zealand once I graduated, then using what I learned to work in roles like marketing, customer support, or information services. Long term, I want to bridge cultures in business and promote ethical and sustainable practices. In here, you have to be detailed on what your plans would be that you will maximize you have a post-study work visa opportunity in New Zealand. You can say that you're applying on that later on and also give them a part where you will go back to your home country to apply what you have learned. Yeah, so that's how I did my SOP from sharing my story to showing my achievements to planning my future. And if you're writing yours, remember it's not just about the facts, it's about your journey and your why. And if you found this helpful, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with a friend who's dreaming of studying abroad. And let me know in the comment section what's your biggest challenge in writing your own SOP. And one last tip from me, make it personalized, make it your own story. Again, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you on the next vlog.